is a day like, kind of like yesterday. Maybe not as severe in some areas, but there is the threat of severe weather. So take the umbrella with you. I can't tell you exactly who's going to get hit and who's not. It won't be wide coverage, but it's going to be out there. So 66 to 6, let's go 66 to 69, close to 70 degrees. That's the range of this hour. Radar is quiet so far. Area of low pressure right there. Lifting mechanism. In addition to the lifting mechanism, a lot of daytime heat with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere will give us thunderstorms this afternoon. I'm not going to rule out a shower this morning, but the best chance it looks like for heavy downpours at the very least could be somewhere around 3 o'clock to about 8 p.m. This magenta, I keep zeroing in on that magenta because that's the color that lets me tell you, it tells me to tell you, hey, watch out. That color normally means that you could have a tornado if you get rotation at the surface because you got strong updrafts and downdrafts. At a minimum, what magenta does is it gets you soaked in a hurry. There could be some local ponding on the roads at 6:30 with that magenta between West Long Branch up towards Newark, and it's going to push over towards Newark into the boroughs by about 7:30. So heavy downpours possible, say after 3 o'clock until about 8, 9 p.m. Can't rule out a shower all the way up until 10 p.m. Take the umbrella with you. It will be needed today. Marginal risk, that's what the Storm Prediction Center says, and that just means that there's a chance of high winds, heavy rain, thunderstorm activity, lightning, and hail. And as I said, a tornado can't be ruled out when you see the pink color. So today, got to be careful. Keep your phone at the ready. If it buzzes you, says take cover, take cover. Story number 2, been a mild 18 months. Started counting this back in December of 21. 12 out of the last 18 months for the city, been above average by 3 degrees. 13 out of the last 18 months. If you live in the Bronx, Brooklyn, or Queens, I use LaGuardia for you guys. 13 out of the last 18 months have been above average, 3.5 degrees. That's a big deal. But even bigger for Jersey. Jersey, out of the last 18 months, 15 months have been above average, 4 degrees, and only below 1.8. So that just shows you how mild it has been. And it's because all year long, it seems like for the last 18 months, we've been tapping into that warm air down south. Today, we'll tap into a little bit of it, but with the chance of thunderstorms, the temperatures are only going to be in the upper 70s to the low 80s. By Sunday, this has shifted a bit. This is wrong. Sunday, it should be around 82 degrees, 83 degrees. So 80 today with a chance of a thunderstorm and maybe severe weather possible. Severe weather dies down as the low exits by Wednesday, and then Thursday looks perfect. Low humidity and 82. That'll be the pick day. You know what? Thursday and Friday look pretty good, Alex, now that I look at it.